Today I finished the second in the Valkyrie series pendulums. The Valkyrie were known to ride the Pegasus winged horses into battle. This particular pendulum is a Pegasus wing crystal by Swarovski. It is wire wrapped in silver wire, and it is embellished with a Swarovski crystal and a beautiful puffed sterling silver heart. It is attached with a lobster clasp so that you can wear this as a pendant as well. The pendulum itself has the chain of the 7 chakras, and it has a beautiful dangler that is amethyst stones, a rose quartz, and a Celtic heart with some gold Swarovski pearls. This pendulum can be found on my website under missyrin.com.